Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. Well, today we're going to open this professional hair curler. It's from a company called Kemei. I think it's pronounced Kemei, K-E-M-E-I. This model number is KM1010. So let's have a look around the box first and then we'll open it up and see what's coming inside. It says here, no thermal top, 30 seconds hot, negative ion technology design. Go here, it's comes in several languages here, and it says that it has a power indicator light, temperature control 170 to 110 Celsius for all hair types, PTC heater with fast heat up, professional hair curler, personal care experts. So let's look at the specification here. It has a dual voltage 110 volts to 240 volts, 50 on 60 hertz. The temperature is 60 Celsius to 210 Celsius and the power is 45 watts. You have a better look here. So it comes in different sizes, 20, 22, 25 and 28. Let's check what this particular model comes in. I think this model is the 22mm model. Have a look here. This is barcode. It's Chinese, and the website is actually an Alibaba website. So okay, here I said, as you see here, no thermal top, a surface temperature of 210 degrees. It has 2 gears for temperature adjustment. Fast ready within 30 seconds. It has temperature control. It's made of ceramic. It has a long cord. It says a long cord. But let's open it up and check for ourselves. Well, actually what comes in the box is the hair curler itself, the power cord, so the power switch. It's 170 degrees or 220 degrees. So it has 2 settings, and as you can see here, this is, as I said, the 22mm model. You press here, it will open the hair curler like that. You can see it from different angles. It's made in the People's Republic of China, and this is the user manual. Let's see what's inside. There is some safety instructions, and as I said, there is no instruction on how to use, but this is the type of hair you will get with the hair curler. It will curl up your hair. You can see also a picture of it. I'll post it here in the video to see how your hair will look like. It will give you like a curly, wavy effect. And this is the box. And let's open it up. I think it's about, yeah, it's more than 1 meter. I think it's 1.2 or 1.5, 1.2 meters, I think. I'll put the specification, the full specification in the description box. So this is what comes in the box. This is the hair curler and the instruction manuals. Thank you for watching, and please click that like button and the subscribe button. I will appreciate that very much. And thank you, and see you next time. Bye.